hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey, what's up, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a hair review. I am going to be reviewing this hair that I got from Slove Hair. This is not the first time I am talking about Slove Hair on my channel. I will put a thing up here for you to go and watch my previous review about their hair. Guys, just look at this unit. Look at this unit. See this unit. Look at this. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I got this hair about a month ago and I made it into a wig, which is the unit I am wearing right now. And I love Slove Hair because they do bundle deals. So depending on what length you might want, how many bundles you want, they do deals for like the different bundles. So for example, I got a 22 inch with a 22 inch closure, and that came up to £163, guys. Like, this is their straight virgin hair. I got 22 inches. I'm going to stand up so you guys can see where it comes to. Let me bring the other side forward as well for you guys. So this is what it looks like. I love the closure. The only problem when I got this hair was the parting for the closure was a lot thinner than what I liked. And I kind of like the fact that it was a lot thinner because then it allowed you to kind of customize it whatever way you wanted to. So I just made mine a little bit wider. And literally all I did was I got like a tail comb. I parted it to the thickness I wanted it. And then I yanked any hair that was in that parting off. Made it the way I like my parting. I like my parting to just be a bit wider than what it came as. And guys, this hair, I don't even know where to start with this hair. I have washed it twice and I feel like it just has so much body and luster. It feels so good. Just like the last time when I did the review of the wig and I said the hair was soft. Guys, this hair, their hair is so nice and soft and flowy. I had the bundles made into a wig on a wig cap, and all I literally do is I just place it on my head and it goes so well. So I just take a brush and I put a bit of the concealer on my parting, and then I take my Got To Be glue. I learnt this trick from Toasty. Bring it quick, careful. Just to lay this my closure down a bit more, I take a bit of Got To Be glue and I spray it right in the center where I want my part to be, and then I just stick it down, and just that kind of just gives you like a flawless finish. I mean, the closure on this, the closure is already of like tip-top quality. I love that the parting is nice and long. I'm not a fan of closures where the partings kind of like stop here. And then another thing I do is I get a bit of Got To Be glue, I spray it on my hand, rub it together and just put it here, just to get rid of any flyaways and make your hair look nice and sleek. And I love what the closure is doing. Like, once I lay it flat with the Got To Be glue, it stays like this and it just blends so well with my scalp, in my opinion. What do you guys think? And in terms of maintaining it, I use my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner to wash it, and I use this Moroccan argan oil, penetrating argan oil. I've seen that I can use this on it without it feeling heavy, without it weighing it down and making the hair feel heavy. And the hair is just everything I love in hair. You get amazing hair for the price that you are paying for it. Absolutely gorgeous, and I just love the way it is, and it's so low maintenance as well. I haven't curled this hair yet, but I also feel that it will hold curls very well. Like, it's got body. I love when hair has body, so you know when you curl it, your curls are gonna have, I know. Okay, so you know that when you curl it, the curls are gonna stay and it's gonna be full and luscious. So I can't wait to curl it. I've just been loving straight hair recently, and this hair straightens phenomenally. When I say like all you have to do is like run your straighteners through it like once and it is bang straight. So I'm gonna curl it, guys, and let you guys know what I think. The hair didn't come in this color. I like my hair to be jet black, so I did dye it. But the guy that my hairdresser, when he dyed this hair, he didn't do a very fantastic job. So you can still see a bit of brown. You didn't do it very well. So that's on my hairdresser, not the hair. So yeah, so I did dye it black because I just prefer dark hair. I feel like dark hair looks better on me. I don't really like that natural color that virgin hair comes in. So I always dye my hair black. I'm thinking about doing a bit of color, spicing things up a little bit, but we'll see. In terms of delivery, I got it delivered to me in Nigeria, in Abuja, and it took a week for it to come. So bear that in mind, and that was fantastic. Ordering hair from China and it takes a week. I am about that. And delivery to Nigeria was about 10, I'm gonna say pounds. In terms of shedding, obviously if someone tells you their hair doesn't shed, they're lying to you. Your hair will get a bit of shedding, but it's not that bad. It does shed a little bit, but I think it's more because of the way my hairdresser sewed it on the wig cap. It did cut the wefts a bit, and I think that's why it sheds just a little bit, but it's not too much, guys. Maybe when I brush my hair I get like 1, 2, 3 strands, so it's not a big deal. So yeah, if you guys like this hair, make sure you check it out. I will leave a link to their page on AliExpress down below, and I will also put all the hair information if there's anything else you need. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. If this is your first time seeing my face, please just subscribe. I'm begging you, just subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, it doesn't take anything from you. Please just subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend to check out my channel, share, and I will see you guys in the next one.